Okay, press start. So how to set the length and the quantity. So press length, select the length, so 50 millimeter, and after setting this, set quantity. I make 2, meaning 2 times cut. If you make 200, meaning 200 times, meaning 2000 times. So for demonstration, I make 2 times. And after setting, you press here, the red button. After finish, it will stop automatically. And here we have a menu return. So it will go back. So we have menu feed. So it will menu feed, and that's it. And here you have a feed speed. So it is from 1 to 10. 1 means very slow, 10 meaning very fast. You can adjust according to your needs.